Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. And guess what? I am finishing up on my Boxycharms. So trust me, I think I have like 3 more to go and then I'll be done. So I am doing my Boxy base versus my Boxy Premium, and this is, believe it or not, August. So I'm so excited to be able to unbox it because then I can use the products. So if you're new to my channel, I promise I'm catching up and I've got some fantastic new boxes coming up. And if you like my video and you like my content, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you super like it. And if you're returning, you know how much I love you guys. And I promise I'm gonna catch up, and I've got some fantastic new boxes coming our way. So I'm gonna make this short and sweet. So I have this base box that looks like it ran through the ringer, and this premium box. And the mail up in Washington, I swear to God, it hits every single state before it gets to Washington. Then the mailmen take it out. They do some kind of little dance on top of it. Then they play catch with it, and then it gets to me. And then it comes whatever. So I usually open it just to make sure that it isn't like where I just need to throw it out, but these seem to survive. So again, these I believe are the August boxes. And it is the Boxycharm, and I don't think it says what month it is, but it comes with the card, so I'm happy about it. But look at the card. And it has the items and the retail. So the first thing in this box is a milk product. They must really have gotten a great contract with milk because they're in like every box. And whatever it is, it's diesel. It is black. And it must be an eyebrow because it's got a before and after with her eyes. I'm gonna open it. I probably won't use it, but this is what the product looks like. And I got version 25. I know there's versions that go anywhere from 1 to, I think they're in their 70s. And this is the Kush. Oh, it's a fiber brow gel. Oh, that sounds interesting, but diesel, I don't know. And it's a tinted vegan brow gel formulated with thickening heart-shaped fibers. And it's $20, but I don't know if diesel is my color. Then the next thing that we got looks very interesting. It is, oh, it's a Dr. Brandt. I do like Dr. Brandt. It's you know, it's a pricier, higher end product. It's a pore purifying cleanser, and it's a nice size. Try not to get a glare. And yeah, so that's not a bad item to get. And it's a non-drying pore refining cleanser, and $36, yeah. So it is a little bit on the higher end. And then we got Ace, I don't know if I can pronounce this, Tika Sunset Bronzer. Let me know how you pronounce this. Call me up and just say this is how you pronounce it. And of course it's in a box challenged, but I bet ya, ooh, the packaging is nice. It's all wrapped up. See, it's either gonna be probably too dark for my skin tone, but it is a super nice packaging. I don't know if that's too dark. Might be able to get away with that, but that's a very pretty bronzer. So not mad at that bronzer. And let's see how much the, I can't pronounce it, bronzer is. $24. And then we got Trazik Summer Glow Go Mini Summer Essential Set. Oh, that's cute. Is it lipsticks? Oh, it's lipsticks. They're pretty colors. I'm not sure. There's a couple of them. Some of them are kind of a weird color. Are they all lipsticks or are they a must-have mini set to get your perfect summer glow in travel size? Oh, one's a highlighter, one's a blush, one's a shadow, and one's a brow. I'm like, these are kind of funky for lipsticks. So that's really nice. I'll definitely use those. And where are those? The Go set, $42. Now, it's nice, but I don't think I'd walk into a store and pay $42. So it's nice to get subscription boxes. We got one more thing in here. And this box is $25. So you do get quite an array of products for $25, and especially price-wise. Mud Masky. Oh, it's a hair mask. Scalp treatment and miracle shampoo. It's a 3-in-1 formula and scalp. So that's nice. And I will try this. I'm all up for trying new things for my hair. So we got the Mud Mask retails for $25. The bronzer is $24, so that's close to $50. The Milk makeup is $20, and the Trazik was $42. So we got almost $150 worth of product for $25. So I will probably try everything in this box. So this was a keeper. And then I will get into the premium box as I throw everything on the floor. So let me know if you guys get Boxycharm, if you get the base box, if you get the base and the premium and then the luxe. But here's the stamped on premium box. And I don't blame Boxycharm. It's the post office or however it comes. But they seem to make it through. Now the premium box is $35 and we got, oh, I didn't know, sorry about that. I didn't know I'd have that much strength. And it's just kind of thrown in under the bubble wrap. It's just kind of thrown in here. And that one, this one doesn't have a card. This one doesn't have a card. The other one did, but this one doesn't. So we'll just have to make do. I don't have the prices, I'm sorry. We have the Fenty Beauty Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder. And I know Fenty's kind of pricey. And this is in the color Coppa Chill. And it might be too dark. Fenty tends to run a little too dark for me. I'm not going to open it because I can tell right now, look at the color. So yeah, I'm going to have to say goodbye to that one because it's going to be too dark. Ooh, 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 ooh. And then we have the Sunday Riley hydration, and I am using this now. So when I finish up, I will have another one. And I do know this is on the pricier side. This is what, like $50, $60 if you had to guess. So I'm happy that I got that. Wish there was a card. Then we have the Dermalex XL Lash Volumizer. Probably won't use it, so let's see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Probably won't use it because I have a couple that I'm using now and I'll probably have them for a while, so I don't want to waste this. And I'm sure this is probably 20 or 25. And again, this is the premium box, so I'm a little disappointed because when they put products like this, they don't take in consideration the color of your skin tone, because we put that, like I put on there that I have a lighter skin tone, and I don't think this is meant for a lighter skin tone. And I try to stay away from getting mascaras and lash products. And then we have a portable contour and concealer brush. And it's by Fenty. So is it just a brush? Is there something in there? I don't know. I guess it's just a brush. But am I doing something wrong? I'm challenged. So it goes like this, but then it goes like this, but it doesn't give you much. I guess you don't need a lot to go here. So I like it, but is that all it goes? Help me out. Help a girl out here. Is that all it goes? Okay. Little odd. So we got that. Then we got another darker item. Oh, it's by MAC, and MAC is a very good line, very pricey. Satin Lipstick Rouge. But again, it's kind of dark for me. So I don't want to take it out of the packaging because it'll be too dark for me. I don't want to look at the packaging. It's got cool packaging. But yeah, I can tell this is going to be too dark for me. So I'm disappointed in the colors of the products because it's not like they check, you know, your profile. And then we got a palette, the Editor palette. And I know I've seen people unbox theirs, but again, I completely forgot. So let's check it out and see if it's my color. I remember the prettiness of the palette. Sorry. You know, and it's got a little, it's a pretty palette. I mean, I kind of like the colors, but I would not reach for this side of the palette. So yeah, I see another giveaway coming up. Did you guys get this palette in your box? Do you remember that far back? And I do like some of the colors, but overall, this is not a Robin color palette. So it came like this. So if I do a giveaway, yeah. What do you think of the palette? Is it something you would use, you would like, you would want in a giveaway? I know it's fall, so I guess it's my fault. It's fall, and these are definitely fall colors, but I just don't reach for them. So overall, I'm a little disappointed in this box. But again, we get so many boxes, you know, if you get the base and the premium and the luxe, there's so many boxes, so they have to be able to please everybody with their products. So it's not Boxycharm's fault, but if you're gonna ask for a profile, then why do you send me these darker colors? So we got the palette, so watch out for a future giveaway for the palette. We got this lash serum. Again, if I didn't have so many, I would probably try it. This is definitely a keeper, the Sunday Riley. Too dark, so these will be going. And this brush is very soft. I guess if that's as far as it goes, I'll try it out with my concealers and stuff and just learn to adjust. So let me know what you thought of my box, what box you got, and thank you so much and have an awesome day.